What's up everyone, this is the Panda Photographer and I want to show you what's in my camera bag as of August 15th, 2021. So please take this video with a grain of salt. I am a travel consultant, travel photographer, and documentarian, and when I travel, I try to travel with the best gear possible to secure and protect my gear. This book bag or camera bag in particular is the Tenba Axis 32L. This retails about $255, and disclaimer that I am not sponsored by Tenba or the audio system that I'm using, which is the Comic-Con Boom XD wireless system, and I'm using the MI receiver for my iPhone. All the links that I talk about all the products in this video will be in the description below. But I want to really get to the bottom point of what's in my camera bag today. A lot has changed. So please take everything with a grain of salt. So please do subscribe, like, and share, guys. If you guys want to support the channel financially, there's a PayPal, cash.app, Venmo. And as I travel with the best gear that I can possibly travel with. Now, I do have a gray card. I have a X-Rite color checker as well. I have some polarizers, some rocket blowers, some brushes. But the main gear that I want to show you is the Boom XD wireless system that's in here. Next to my 7D with the IRIX 150 micro lens. You guys are saying, why the 7D in 2021? Well, I made a video about that, why that is. And if you haven't seen it, I suggest you watch it, because I basically explain why I put Magic Lantern RAW on the 7D, and it works really well. As you can see, I got a rocket blower, it's a must, and a gray card, always a must. I have a 70D with the IRIX 15. I have a wireless shutter remote. I have the Neewer Q3 wireless trigger. And every photographer should stop bringing battery or portable phone charger bricks. All you need is this. This is a Rave Power 60 watt 6-port charger. That's all you need, guys. You don't need to bring all your ports or your bricks. I have some cables to some of the other devices. I got a rain cover for this particular book bag, the Tenba water or weather strap or weather wrap, they call it. I got the Canon 80D with the IRIX 11. Two Canon chargers here. I got an AC adapter for all my Canon cameras, just in case I want to do a YouTube live stream in studio. I got two Q3 Neewer Strobes, 200 watt. In this compartment, I got an Instro dorm diffuser with grid and gel system for the Q3 Neewer system. I got another charger here for the Canon cameras. I got the Rogue Grid diffuser. I got two Zombie 72 and 62 ND filters. I got one IRIX polarizer and one IRIX 10 stop ND filter. And I have a 72 ND filter polarizer as well. So keep it simple, keep it cleaned. I also got some extra batteries. Like I said, I also got extra brushes. I also got gloves to clean my lenses and my camera sensors. So if you guys don't know what the gloves are, basically it's this cleaning kit. I have this cleaning kit to clean my lenses and sensors. So keep that in mind. I do have a gray card in there as well, which I can show you to show you proof of what I'm saying. This is the gray card. These are the gels for the Q3 system. I also have some from the GoDock system that I've been using, and I like those. I prefer those better. And right here is my 15.6-inch laptop. So when I'm traveling, everything that I need is where it should be. But with that said, everyone, this is the Panda Photographer. This is what's inside my camera bag as of August 15, 2021. We are in New York City. If you guys want to support the channel financially, we are currently trying to save up money. So we have to do another round of sacrificing by staying out and temporarily being houseless until we get what we need. But this is going to bring me long exposures, time lapse, whatever I need. But with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to watch this content. So please do subscribe, like, and share. Eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.